Welcome to our tutorial on chain of thought prompting with Claude. Today, we'll delve into how this technique can enhance your interactions with AI, especially when dealing with complex queries. For instance, if you're tackling a multi-step coding challenge, chain of thought prompting can help Claude break down the problem and provide clearer, more structured responses. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to implement this technique, but also when it's most effective. Let's get started. So, why should you care about chain of thought prompting? Traditional AI prompts often lead to vague or overly concise responses that lack depth. When you're trying to solve intricate problems or perform multi-step reasoning tasks, these existing methods can fall short. Chain of thought prompting addresses this by encouraging the AI to articulate its reasoning process, leading to more insightful answers. Whether you're debugging code or analyzing a lengthy document, having a clear train of thought can save you time and frustration. Let's dive into a practical example. Imagine you're trying to write a function that converts a list of temperatures in Celsius to Fahrenheit. Instead of giving a simple prompt, we can use chain of thought prompting to guide Claude. Here's the prompt I'll use. First, explain the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then, write a Python function that takes a list of Celsius temperatures and returns a list of Fahrenheit temperatures. When I run this prompt, Claude responds, to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, use the formula F equals CX9 to 5 plus 32. Here's the Python function, Python def Celsius to Fahrenheit Celsius as list. Returned, temp is 9 to 5 plus 32 for temp in Celsius list. This illustrates how chain of thought prompting can lead to a more comprehensive and effective response. Despite the power of chain of thought prompting, it's important to recognize its limitations. For instance, if we provide a vague or overly complex prompt, Claude may struggle to parse it correctly. Let's say I ask, explain the weather in detail and then relate it to climate change. The response might become convoluted or miss the mark entirely. In such cases, refining the prompt can help. Instead, break it into simpler tasks, like first asking about the weather and then about climate change. This ensures clarity and improves the quality of responses. Now, let's explore advanced usage of chain of thought prompting, particularly leveraging Claude's extended thinking capabilities. This feature allows the model to maintain context over longer interactions. For example, when analyzing a lengthy document, you can prompt, summarize the key points of this document in sections, then provide an overall conclusion. By doing this, you help Claude organize its thought process and improve the coherence of its output. Always remember to clarify the structure of the output you expect. This will guide Claude to deliver more refined results. In summary, chain of thought prompting is a powerful tool for anyone looking to leverage Claude's reasoning capabilities effectively. It's especially beneficial for developers and knowledge workers handling complex tasks that require multi-step reasoning. However, remember that it's not always necessary. For straightforward queries, traditional prompts may suffice. Knowing when to apply this technique can enhance your productivity and the quality of interactions with AI. Happy prompting!